American Civil Liberties Union just released the officer's body cam video so you can see the whole thing play out. Here's a piece of the clip. The whole thing runs in total like 11 minutes. Just a warning, it's tough to watch.
I'm not giving you my name for what?
Yeah, I actually do have the right to ask you for your name in this case, okay? Okay. Well, how long is it going to be for you to make sure? Okay.
Let me make sure, because I'm not about to get harassed by the police.
Well, today. You know what, ma'am? I have every right to ask you for your name, okay?
I'm not about to get harassed.
Ma'am, no. Michelle, what? What is your name?
Let me get the person.
Ma'am, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Put yourself, please.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Ma'am, please.
Do not touch me. Do not. I'm pregnant. Do not touch me.
Okay.
Do not touch me. What the is going on? Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me, sir. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. I'm pregnant. Stop it.
This
is ridiculous. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ma'am,
please. I'm pregnant. Please. I'm pregnant. Please.
So why are you resisting, man? Why are you resisting, please? I just lost my cuffs. Do you have your cuffs? Okay, get up, ma'am.
I can't. I'm pregnant.
Okay.
I feel my stomach.
Watch yourself.
My stomach, stop.
So why are you resisting?
Because you guys are stupid. Y'all are stupid. Stop.
Go ahead.
In the state of California, was that arrest justified?
Well, the police officer has to believe it is. He's got to reasonably believe that this arrest is justified. All right, I saw this whole video. They should have let this go. There was nothing here. Some white woman complaining about a black woman. They had a little argument. Somebody threw something at each other. Went over, spoke to both of them. Okay, let this go. This ain't going nowhere. But I think what the police officer did was he tried to ascertain the name in the event there's some kind of civil litigation might go on. So I think the officer thought that he'd be able to go over and ask her name and information, then give it to this woman, and then I would have got the other woman's information and given to her. This way they can both go to court and, figure this out.
The law in the state of California is that an officer can ask for your name.
Okay.
If he has reasonable suspicion that a crime took place. Now, that officer actually told the white woman, this is a school parking lot where this took place.
Right.
He told the white woman, I don't see any crime here at all.
Right.
You see that in the
But
first
he
piece
was
of the video.
talking about, I think, damage to vehicles when he said that, because it appears as though there was a road rage type of situation, but it wasn't a highway, it was private property. Then she refuses to. Well, she actually gave her first name. She said Michelle.
Right.
But she refused.
And she brings
to
up race. We should be. This is the reason why we're even interjecting this. The second woman does bring it up.
But she refuses to really give her name. The officer then does have a right to arrest her, whether it's a legal arrest or not. Just as Harry said,
does have a
is
right.
for a judge to determine.
Mark,
the point that I've been trying to make, though, is that this becomes emblematic of the problem if we say it's her fault for having the audacity to be upset or to resist an unlawful arrest, unfair treatment, differential treatment.
You can't make the differential. She doesn't know if it's an unlawful arrest.
Just listen to what I'm saying.
Okay.
We're not making a legal analysis right now.
Right.
The question was who was responsible for escalating this. And what you're saying, if the woman had not done X, Y would not have happened.
Right.
I'm saying, had not the police done X, Y would not happen. And if we're going to choose between the person to assign blame, let's choose the person that did the unlawful arrest. Let's choose the person that engaged in differential treatment. Based on what we saw in that video, the woman didn't do anything wrong, and neither did the other woman.
She was 7 months pregnant.
8 months.
She knows she's got a child in her belly.
Right.
Okay. Why is she resisting arrest, making it hard? Because you could hear the police officer saying, "Don't resist arrest."
How about just on the point? I'm
How about
sorry.
not doing it?
How about from
Right.
a police? Hold on. From a police perspective, I honestly don't know the answer. Let's say it was absolutely justified. She needed to be arrested as an officer, and and she's saying over and over, "I'm pregnant. Why place her on her belly?"
No.
I'm just
that
asking.
happened as a result of the arrest. They had to put her down to get her handcuffed. All she had to do
On her
was put
stomach.
her hands
On her stomach.
That's the only. How are you going to get handcuffed behind the back? You got to go on her stomach, and she's fighting, so you can't specifically put her down a certain way.
So that
because
is
she's
police
fighting.
training.
right?
And the
No.
police
I'm
officer,
just asking. I'm
the
asking.
police
No,
officer
it's
had a
not.
body cam.
No, it's
That's
not
how
police
he seen
training.
it all. He had
Right.
the camera.
You know, and the police officer had a body cam, so he thought everything he was doing was correct.
That's what's problematic for me. I'm not saying these officers came in and said, hey, let's go to a parking lot and harass somebody. I think they actually think they're right. That's the problem. It's a structural problem. It's not.
Well, we
it
don't
should-
even know if they're wrong yet. This hasn't
Hang on. Let me just jump in because this is what Barstow Police, they've launched an internal review. They wouldn't comment further to CNN. Here's what they told our affiliate out of LA, KCBS. Quote, the city of Barstow has received the video link regarding Charlena Cook's arrest. It is apparent that Ms. Cook actively resisted arrest. This incident was in no way racially motivated. As implied by the ACLU, we affirm our police department's commitment to protect and serve all our residents.